Gold and silver, after a sharp drop yesterday, have retraced a little. We have seen gold moving towards the next resistance zone at 26.24, 26, as we have discussed in our Asia and Europe session, that once it trades about 26.14 levels, we can see 26.20, 26.26 levels it is done, while silver has also seen a good rise towards 29.70, 80 zone. What to expect from metals with the US session? Can we expect this recovery and retracement to continue, or the prices are again going to reverse and drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. See, gold so far for the day after this decline has retraced, and it is trading under this retracement channel. Higher lows and higher highs are seen. Only bearishness now in gold is if you see it is staying below 2606, 2604 zone. As long as it stays above 260604 levels, we should not be treating this as bearish for the day. But once it declines, once it trades below 260604, you can say we can look forward to a move further on the downside towards 2598, 2591, 92 zone as well. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is under retracement. After this drop, it is looking upwards. The RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2, when you look at the 2-hour charts here, yes, you can see higher lows, higher highs are there. What metals has done, what gold has done, is it was trading with divergence from the 20 period, and I have earlier in the day mentioned that there is a possibility of a move towards 20 period moving average. Now you can also notice that it is getting a good resistance from here, that is a 20-50 period moving average. So it has to break now beyond this zone at 26, 26, 26 in order to confirm further rise. And specifically, if it breaks beyond 2640 and 2650, that is the point of time you can say now gold has reversed, chances for which appears to be less looking at the momentum as of now. Stochastic near to top, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. It is trading with very little divergence, and it is just crossed over 2 candles away. It appears that it may try to retrace a little on the upside. Let's be watchful of this. RSI is staying flat. Coming to the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. Prices are still having a little divergence from the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 2630, 32, and this makes this zone is achievable as well as a greater resistance. So if you now see gold trading above 2620 itself, when you see the lower prices above 2620, you can buy, expect 2624, 26 as the first, 2630, 32 as the next target. And if these two are taken, we can look forward to further rise. Moving averages here are trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for it to cross over here. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. On the 4-hour charts, when you see important observation here is the diminishing bullishness. You can see these 3 candles where you can see the body size has diminished, and it has come towards confirmation of a reversal. This can become a reversal candle as well if you now see gold trading below 2610 and specifically below 260406. If these 2 levels are taken, ready for a further drop and ready for a decline in gold prices here. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Coming to the daily. Now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now if you look at the daily charts, see, first of all, prices are outside Bollinger Bands. And second thing is, I will just notice the move here. The previous drop was towards 2540. Prices have rise sharp from these levels. Then since then it is trading in a sideways zone. What has happened since then? See, after hitting double top, it has taken a sharper decline. So I do look at its drop, retracement, drop. Now it has come down towards the support zone. 2580 is indeed a very, very good support. I have mentioned this in my weekly review because below 2580, 2560 and 2540 are very easily achievable. And if 2540 is taken any point of time, today, tomorrow or next week, we can look forward to a move which is going to take the prices below 2500 very, very, very soon. Now see what has happened here on the daily charts. After hitting the lows, prices have recovered. Now if you look at the size of the move here, this is almost 50% of this complete move. So 50 to 60% retracement is done, and it is struggling precisely at the same zone. Now here the moving averages have crossed over. and this zone is sitting at around 2650 level. So now it is important for gold to either trade above 2650 or to trade below 2580. Very broader zone here. And now if you look at the stochastic, this is oversold. The MACD right now is trading bearish. It is just two candles away, and this suggests more bearishness might prevail. The RSI is starting to look upward. So considering this, if you look gold at about 2620 levels itself, you can buy here. When you see the lower prices about 2620, expect 2624, 2626, 3032. 3032 should be a greater resistance. And if that is taken, if 3032 is taken, chances will be high that 2638, 40 levels should get achieved. Beyond that, I think 2648, 50, but it requires a lot much of a strength from gold to hit that zone. I still doubt that it is going to reverse completely. It is going to erase all the losses from yesterday. Chances appears to be less. However, these are markets. On the downside now, a selling entry is at 2610. Expect 260406. Now 260406 is a very important support for the day. If it trades below 260406, then you can say that the bears are back, and then you can look forward to the next target towards 2598, 2592, and then 2584.82. If 2584.82 is taken, stay short. Stay short for 2571 and 2560 levels. Below that, a major correction might prevail. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to see what silver did here. Is the same. Silver retraced towards 20 period on the hourly charts, and see what it is doing here is rise, retracement, higher lows, higher highs. Very important now for silver to trade above 2970, 2980 zone. That will be the confirmation of the next move towards 30-30-20 levels. Right now I can see a bit of a struggle from silver on the upside, and on the downside now 2940 levels are a very good support here. Stochastic has dropped sharp. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. It is trading upwards. It is looking upwards, trying to retrace. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. When you see the 2-hour charts, what has happened on the 2-hour charts here is, look at the formation. Rise, couple of retracement candles, rise, couple of retracement candles. And now if you see it is staying above 2960, you can buy again. Expect 2980. 85 to be achieved, and then in fact $30 level should be there very soon. Right now the momentum is missing, and thus you have to wait for it to breach past these critical levels 29.75, 80, 29, or rather I'll say 29.80, 85, and $30 levels. Stochastic has retraced here. MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for it to cross over here. It is still struggling at the bottom. RSI is almost staying oversold. Coming to the 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts, when you look at the formation here, what has happened? Drop. It has waited for the 20 period moving average to come down. It has retraced towards. Till then it has stayed sideways. Now what is happening here? It is waiting for the 20 period to come down, and it can try to approach towards this zone. So $30 levels are achievable. That should be a greater resistance for the day. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish. It is not yet converged or crossed over, and the RSI has just come out of the oversold zone. It is staying at the lower levels. It is possible that it can stay in the oversold zone, but I expect a recovery here. And on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. See, diminishing bullishness. That is one clear observation, that diminishing bullishness and then a reversal sign. So now if it trades about 2940 and then 2920, you can say silver is looking forward to another round of greater drop. As long as it stays about 2940 and 2920 zone, do not treat silver as bearish. Remember, as long as it respects this zone, do not treat silver as bearish for the day. Only bearishness in silver is if it trades below 2920, else it is still not to be treated as bearish. And yes, about 2960 and 2980 zone, you can expect a move towards 30-30-20 levels. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD is still bearish. It has hit the lows here. RSI is also staying oversold. Coming to the daily chart, now one important point on the daily charts is, look at this move here, drop, sideways movement, drop. So this movement is done, and it appears a retracement is on cards. How far it can retrace, we can look forward to 30-30-20 zone. I do not see it breaking beyond 30-50, 30-60. That is now become the critical milestone. Previously it was 31-50, now it is 30-50, 30-60 zone. So that is the only level above which you can say silver has reversed. Right now we can see that the momentum in silver is missing, and it can possibly wait for tomorrow or day after tomorrow, or it may take 2 to 3 sessions and retrace slowly like this towards 30-30-20 zone, and then again continue on the downside. This one possibility exists strong. Moving averages after the crossover here are trading bearish, and if you look at the movement here, drop, retracement, drop again, we have to wait for it to break here or here on the downside. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD is extremely bearish. The RSI has dropped to the bottom. So looking at this, buy 2960 levels, where you can expect silver to move towards 29.7585 zone and $30 levels. Beyond 30, 30, 20, 30, 25 is the target, and if it breaks this, then 30, 50, 30, 60. Only bullishness in silver is if you see it is staying above 30, 50, 30, 60, that should call for a reversal. Else, the stance is very much bearish, not a reversal. Till 30-50, sell on rise is the call. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 29 40, 29, 20 zone. If you see silver trading below 29, 40, 29, 20, consider that as a reversal. Consider that as a crash. Consider that we are looking forward to a move towards 29, 28, 60, and in fact 28 levels very, 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 very soon. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to watch tomorrow the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thank